Hi, welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tinica, and today we're going to make a foaming coconut milk facial cleanser. This was a special request by many of you, so I hope you enjoy this video. To make your foaming coconut milk facial cleanser, you'll need some ingredients, of course. To start with, you'll need deionized water. You'll need sodium cocoyl isethionate powder, vegetable glycerin, phenoxyethanol, Tetrasodium glutamate diacetate, coconut fragrance oil. You'll also need a hot plate or a stove top, of course, to heat up your water. So we're just going to place our water on the hot plate and turn it up. And we're going to heat that to about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. So we'll wait for that to heat up and we'll be back. Okay, now that we've heated up our water, we're going to add a couple of ingredients and mix them together. So we're adding our glycerin to our hot water. And we'll just give that a quick mix on the low setting. Just to stir it in there. And now comes the fun part. We're going to add the sodium cocoyl isethionate powder. And there's a couple of ways you can do this. You could sprinkle it in and add it gradually. You should be aware that this powder is very light and airy, so a dust mask is a good idea if you're working with a large batch of this. So we're just going to I'm going to just add it to the water, and that is just fine. It will go into the water perfectly, and you're going to see a little bit of a powder plume as it goes in, and this is why you need a dust mask and eye protection as well. Okay, so now we're going to keep our mixer on the low setting and just mix the powder into the water. So this surfactant, normally with surfactants you wouldn't want to use a high shear mixer because you'd make a lot of bubbles. But with this one, fortunately, it doesn't do that. So I'm just mixing that right in. So this is a very simple cleanser. The high amount of glycerin is moisturizing, which counteracts the drying effect of the surfactants. And then, of course, we want to add our preservatives. So we want to add our phenoxyethanol and our Tetrasodium glutamate diacetate, which is a chelating agent, and mix it up again. And finally, you want to add your coconut fragrance oil. Just put that right in there and mix again. Okay, it's that simple. I say that, but there is another step. There is something actually that you're going to be observing while you're foaming coconut facial cleanser is coming together. So the first thing that's going to happen is this entire thing is going to go clear with a little bit of foam on top. And that's okay. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. Once it goes clear, simply mix it again. You can use your high shear mixer, or you can simply mix it with a spoon. Over the course of 24 hours, your product's going to start changing. And I'm going to move this out of the way and show you kind of what it changes into. It changes into this coconut kind of, it turns into kind of a foam, kind of a meringue. It's pumpable, meaning you can put it in a bottle with a pump top, and it pumps out into this nice foam. And I'm going to move this aside and kind of show you what happens to it once you put it in your hand. So once you put it in your hand, it does this really cool thing, and it turns into milk. And it foams up. I don't have a water here, but you can kind of see that it foams up. So you have this lovely, very simple, delicious smelling coconut cleanser that kind of has some fun properties. It turns from this meringue into a milk. We hope you enjoy making your new foaming coconut milk cleanser. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to check the More button directly below the video for a link there is a kit that you can buy with all of the ingredients you need to make your new cleanser. Thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned for more fun videos.